What I'm going to attempt to do here is edit this footer information here. So you see we've got some links, we've got some phone numbers, and we've got some, a widget area here. Essentially what you need to do, if you haven't used widgets before in WordPress, you come into Appearance and Widgets, and those areas that appear at the bottom of every page, you'll see the footer call to action is this: find an Atma Yoga teacher. That's just a bit of text. There's copyright statement here. You can switch between HTML and visual. I'd suggest in such a small area using the HTML block setting, so you can change links or bits of text yourself. Now the main thing you might want to change is, let's say, the 1, 2, 3, 4 footers. So you would come into your widgets, you've got an image there with the logo. If I wanted something else like a calendar, I could also drag that in. Probably won't look very good, but let's have a look. So we've got a calendar there. So widgets can take any sort of dynamic information, but possibly I would leave the options as they are, but you might want to change the links. So these ones here, you might want to put in the Bhakti Marga DE website or something similar. I would suggest you edit in HTML. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, then just edit like this. So if you wanted to add or whatever, you can do that and then press save down at the bottom here, and then you can have different links. But to change links in this case, you'd have to insert link up there or edit that link and change it to bhaktimarga.de or whatever website you want to link to. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to stop the video there, but there are your 4 bottom footer widgets. Okay, this is a plugin here which is doing this social media icons. Now obviously if you don't want that there and you want a text block with some bit of text, then obviously you just drag text block into that widget area and you remove the social media plugin and you're done. Okay, so that's a very quick tutorial on how to use the widgets in the theme.